Hey guys, this is my 2018 Golf R. Right now it has a stock exhaust with just a resonator delete from Eurosport. Don't mind that water sound. That's just a draining system in the underground parking lot. So what I want to do is do a cold start. I haven't started the vehicle in about 2 days, so it should be pretty cold. So I would like to do a cold start and see how it sounds like. Okay, well, I hope you guys liked this video. It was a short video, but I just wanted you to listen to the Eurosport resonator delete I have on this vehicle with the stock exhaust system. Yeah, if you like this video, give a like and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll make sure to bring more content like this.